Step 3 of the SSA is to complete the on-site demonstration. Since you've already done your planning and preparation, executing a safer solutions assessment should be a straightforward process. Begin by meeting with your customer to understand their current cleaning operation and challenges. Your goal is to uncover the customer's operational challenges or pain points so you can solve them. Discuss any safety and environmental concerns the customer may have, performance metrics, budget constraints, or any issues they have with their current cleaning process. Complete a tour of the customer's facility to observe their cleaning practices firsthand. Some areas to consider for a demonstration are production areas, operations such as raw materials and finished product warehouses, waste treatment and environmental areas, packaging, fleet, transportation and distribution, and locker rooms, break rooms, bathrooms, cafeterias, offices, and conference rooms. Also, look for visibly stained or high-use, high-traffic areas that will make for a good cleaning demonstration. Be sure to take notes as you walk through the facility so you can refer to them when completing the final SSA form. The first thing you want to note are any hazards you identify. Many times, operational hazards create opportunities to introduce safer products. Some things you may want to look for include hazardous materials or chemical toxicity, fire and explosion risks, slip and fall risks, exposure and respiratory risks from harmful substances, specialized PPE, disposal and treatment of used substances, cleaning residues and stains, inefficient practices, and environmental impacts. If you identify any of these conditions when walking the facility, it indicates the customer can benefit from Simple Green's safer solutions. The next thing you want to note during your walkthrough is what products the customer is currently using. You're looking for opportunities to replace hazardous or harsh chemicals with a Simple Green solution. Ask the customer about product usage cycles and concentrations. Observe and note where and how chemicals are currently being stored. Take note of any cleaning equipment the customer is using. Take photos of product labels for later reference, and gather safety data sheets either on-site or later online. Refer to your photos. Now that you've completed your walkthrough and know your customer's pain points, it's time to perform a cleaning demonstration. The best way to sell the customer on the effectiveness of Simple Green products is to show them firsthand. Select a small area that is a good representation of the cleaning challenges the customer is facing. The area should be no more than 1 square foot or 30 square centimeters so the customer can clearly see the results. But before you begin cleaning, make sure you take a picture of the current state. Then demonstrate the product, making sure to use the right tools and contact time for the product you are using. Rinse the area properly according to any regulations. Then take another photo that clearly shows the before and after results. Recover and dispose of any leftover or used items.